What's going on, everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. And today, guys, I wanted to come to you and talk to you about potential opportunities to help you through such times we're going through right now. Right now in the United States, and really actually globally, many people have been affected by this coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic, right? And so a lot of people unfortunately have lost jobs, and therefore their financial situation has become a little worrisome, right? You don't have income, you start to worry about things like, how am I going to pay the mortgage, the rent, provide, put food on the table, pay the bills and things like that, let alone being able to do all the other things that we enjoy to do in our lives, right? And so today I wanted to just make a suggestion, guys, and unfortunately this has happened for many people, but on the flip side, there are a few people who actually are thriving financially in such a time, and that generally is people who have created multiple sources of income for themselves, ladies and gentlemen, right? People who have investments, and whether that's markets, whether that's real estate, whether that's businesses, or just being venture capitalists, things like that, right? These people have set up multiple sources of income for themselves, and therefore they're not affected by technically losing a job or whatever the one income that many people out there have, okay? So my suggestion would be, if you want to help yourself be able to not only survive in such times such as recessions and things of that nature, but also to put yourself in a position to actually thrive regardless of the economy and the outside world, right? You want to be able to do that, and to do that you need to set up multiple sources of income. Here on our channel, Revenue Pro Tips, we're always providing information, tips, and online-based opportunities for people to be able to do such and put themselves in such a thriving position, financially at least, okay? So if I could encourage you guys, check out our channel. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification right next to it, but also go through the videos. We have multiple videos about different types of opportunities. We know there's no one opportunity that's right for every single person out there, every single person who may be seeing this video. That's why we bring you multiple, for the most part, online-based income opportunities. For those of you out there who work full-time jobs but are now seeing how relying on one source of income can actually be detrimental to the economic or financial well-being of yourself or your family and those you care for, right? You might be considering now other opportunities and things to help you out at such times. All right, so check out the videos, but if anything, if you're interested in online-based businesses, right, whether that's getting to create any kind of income, or even just to stack on to maybe your job, or to stack on to another business or investment you have, right, click the #1 link in the description below for our #1 recommended online-based opportunity. And like I said, also browse through our videos. We have several with different type of opportunities, so check them out. Find something that works for you, something that suits you and your schedule, your lifestyle, and make the best of it. All right, that's it for today's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. If you have liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button so that we know you're loving the content and getting value from it. Make sure you're following us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. Subscribe to the channel, and we will see you soon.